morning, guys. Today is Friday, the last day of my CBE. And yesterday I showed you guys that I went to Aba to learn my baby. So I just want to do a quick little unboxing before I go. Cool. So yeah, hope you guys have been fine because I know I've not been vlogging enough. Regardless, Monica Pell is not playing with a packaging thing. Hey. The moment of truth. The first step. Wow. This is like a ponytail stuff. So yeah, it's fine, it's cute. It's now bigger. I just ordered it because in case I don't have anywhere to go, or I just want to like pack my into ponytail, and I will just attach this. So yeah, and this other one, it's cute though. It's actually nice for the price. They are nice for their price. I was not expecting something much or more, so they are nice. Wow, it's a lot though. It's fine, it's cute. I don't know, the new style just came into my mind. Like, don't worry, you guys are gonna see Bond Street. This is the closure. It comes with a closure. Look at the closure. Wow. Wow. So yeah, that is just it. I want to head to school now. But it's full though. Wow. I'll head to school now. I am to make friends and people. So this is I'm going to leave my hair. I don't have strength. So that's it. See you guys when I got back.
Sometimes it feels like see what you really higher, higher, I'm going high.
My bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah, she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be high volume, high volume, high volume. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Game on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, we know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch. I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I can do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big head. That sundress. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that they move, I just wish we would fight less so we would talk more. They say communication, save relations, I can tell, but I can never write like I'm a winner.
If there's a point to be good, then where